Hey everybody, need to check this thing out. I don't get many of these, so I thought I would make a video on it. So no matter what we do, it's okay. We keep getting an error. So device disk space critically low. Free up disk space or device will become unresponsive. So what we want to do, we want to go to the files part of everything on this Chromebook. It has been a minute since I've used Chrome OS. What is this? Launcher? Let's go into settings and clear out what we can in here. Oh, we got a name, so we don't want to show that. Basically, we keep getting a profile error occurred message. So we're going to clear our data, cookies and other site data. So advanced, and check out our advanced settings. Okay, so we do have stuff in downloads. Let's open that up and see what we have downloaded. So files you download appear here. I'm seeing nothing. Pardon me if all right, so clicking on manage storage, this is what it was doing for me. Or not this one. This is what I've seen them do before. They become unresponsive. I almost forgot the term. All right. So let's we got to get down here in our taskbar. We are going to sign out. So after we sign out, we're going to press and hold Control Alt Shift plus R. Control Alt Shift R. It's not going to work. Ah, there it goes. It did pop up. So Control Alt Shift R pops up a page like this. So Chrome OS, device disk space critically low. I'm looking, they don't have any external media plugged in, so there's very little storage on this. Matter of fact, it doesn't even say. What we're going to do right now is select restart, and then we're going to power wash this thing. Now, this is something. Do people even know if they have a Chromebook? Or do they just have a laptop? It's their computer. So at the point where files is not coming up, there's something we got to blur. All right. All right, and it finally came up while I was over there. So what we're going to do, we're going to update the firmware for added security. We're going to get down here and connect to our internet here. So after we connect to the internet, we're going to update the firmware, and we're going to hit power wash. Continue. And let it do its thing. Now this should take care of our problem. We have the user's Google profile to sign back in, so that should not be any issue for us. And while you're doing a power wash or a reset, factory reset on a Chromebook, also known as a power wash. These things are nice, but it's not a full computer solution. They're nice though. Just if you need to browse the internet machine, do some emailing, watch some occasional videos, video chat with people, perfect solution. But Chromebooks are not for everybody. So it is installing an update, and I don't know what that email was, so I may have to call this person. What a shame we didn't get to use our hot air today. All right, computer is finally, our Chromebook is finally coming up. Hopefully this solves the problem. As hard as I tried, I had to flash that name on screen to blur out. It's just never record and upload. Okay, welcome to Chromebook. Let's get started. Okay, so this is where we're going to pause and get this person's email. Okay, so I apologize about it being on a different screen. However, we had to get signed into the account. We couldn't remember the email, and we had to do a password reset. But we did get signed in. We did the password and all that. And it looks like it's loading up. Good deal. Computer looks like it's working as long as it don't pop up. A profile error occurred. I'm guessing that could have been due to the operating system, but there was no way I could get it to access the settings. They're not the settings, the device storage. It just wasn't. It was non-existent. It really was. Google Assistant. Check your network connection retried. Anyhow, as I always say, if this is what you're into, the tinkering, the messing, the doing, and you know somebody needs it done, give them a hand doing it. Make their device, make it awesome, make it function, work again, make it better if you can. Make it work better than it previously did for them so they have a good experience. You know, it's hard enough legitimizing your skill set, anything in this industry. Because, you know, most people that don't do this don't understand everything that goes with it. So it can all seem foreign to them, and foreign or unknown, things that are strange or just unknown to somebody can often seem scary. And you can just think you're getting scammed easily. As easy it is to get scammed, you can think you are. So if you have the opportunity to give somebody a hand, give them a hand, fix their device. Fix something old instead of getting bigger, better, faster, more new all the time. Save this awesome island Earth that we live on, and let's cut down on some of the e-waste together if we can. Anyhow, if you're not subscribed, now's a good time to do so. Like the video if you liked it, or give it a dislike, whichever way, up or down. We will fix something fun in the next video. Thank you.